Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the relative strength market picker indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the relative strength market picker indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 34 different strategies, with 9 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 439 indicators, with 181 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the relative strength market picker indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did make a slight modification, and so instead of these being the standard histogram style like that, I did turn these into columns. Makes it significantly easier to see them. And the setup on this is relatively easy. So basically what we are looking to do is when we get a cross of the zero line to the upside, so when we get a blue or kind of teal aqua light blue color, whatever you want to call it here, that is going to be a signal to go long. And then when we get a cross to the downside and we get either the reddish color or the pinkish purple color, then we are going to go short. And so basically this is a zero line cross indicator. We're looking for the cross of the zero line to the upside or to the downside. Then we're going to take the direction of the cross. So, all right, let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we get our first signal right there. You can see that it was a short signal. We did get across to the downside there, and that was able to get us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue forward. All right, so we get our second signal right here. It is a long, but immediately we get across back to the downside right there for a short signal. That one does get us to take profit. And then it looks like over here on this side, we get across back to the upside. And that one also is going to get us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue forward. All right, so that is actually going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it will give you access to our Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts on multiple different time frames, exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for all the patrons to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as our win rates. You also get access to the full Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so that one shows exactly which ones were winners and losers, as well as their win rates. And then another thing that we've been doing, a new thing, is our admin Rob is posting everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners. These are his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. And as he gets alerts to those multiple times a day, different time frames, he posts those on the channel for all the patrons to see, so they can take advantage of those great trading opportunities. So there's a lot of wonderful benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got out of this. So not a lot of trades. You can see it went for an extended period of time here without giving any signals. So let's go ahead and count this out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 winning trades, or sorry, 9 signals altogether, 9 trades, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It wasn't too far off, but all in all, this indicator just isn't quite going to work. Maybe on a lower time frame, it could be useful, but on the daily, you went half a year and only got 1 signal, which would have gotten you to take profit, and that's about it. You would have come back and got stopped out for the rest of the trade, and then you would have missed all this opportunity here. And you can even see here when it started to trend to the upside, half of the move had already taken place by the time it gave us even a small signal to go to the upside. Now, of course, there is some divergence and different stuff happening that might be useful as well, but for now, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.